Dear ninth graders, now you know this is the most important phase of our terminal exam. So let's start some revision of expansion formula. Important chapter. Expansion. A plus b the whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Very easy. A minus b the whole square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. A little difference here. Very commonly used formula, a square minus b square is a plus b a minus b. Now, two little difficult formulas. A plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab bracket a plus b. Similarly, a minus b the whole cube, only sign changes. Rest the formula remains the same. Now, little new formula for us, a plus b plus c the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 bracket ab plus bc plus ca. Now what they do, they sometimes give us the value of this a plus b plus c and they give us the value of ab plus bc plus ca. We just have to substitute the values given in the question and find out a square plus b square plus c square. Now moving on to the other formula, students, we have a very similar formulas here. They are called as reciprocals. Here we have a plus b, here we have a plus 1 upon a. But formula remains the same. How? A plus 1 upon a the whole square is equals to a square. See, it is same here, a square. In place of b here, we have 1 upon a. Then 1 upon a ka square. Plus 2. Why only 2? There is a reason. Here we have 2ab. If we substitute a and b, I mean a and 1 upon a, then it simply gets, that's it. So we don't have to write this. We just have to write a square plus 1 upon a square plus 2. Same formula, a minus 1 upon a the whole square is a square plus 1 upon a square minus 2. Both the formulas are exactly resembling this formula, which is main formula. And these formulas are reciprocals. We have derived from here. Same way, a square minus 1 upon a square would be a plus 1 upon a and a minus 1 upon a. A plus 1 upon a the whole square minus a minus 1 upon a the whole square is equal to 4. Now, this is the formula which connects both of them. So, sometimes in school, they give this value and ask us to find out this. So, remember students, this is the most important formula of this chapter, grade 9. 8 तक हमने ये और ये बहुत यूज किया, ये और ये बहुत यूज किया. 9th में most of the teachers, they put their eye on someone's having this formula. So, remember this formula very well. Now, same way we have here formula of a plus b the whole square minus a minus b the whole square is equals to 4ab. Remember, for revision of this formulas, we will be doing the sums in class. And if minus sign is there here, then we have 4ab. And if plus sign is there here, then we have 2 bracket a square plus b square. If minus sign we have here, then we have just 4. If plus sign we have in bracket, in between two brackets, then we have 2 bracket a square plus 1 upon a square. Now, 9th standard के last exercise concise का most important formula. Students, listen. If a plus b plus c is equal to 0, ये कभी होगा only if a plus b plus c is equal to 0 होगा तभी. Then a cube plus b cube plus c cube would be only 3abc. You just have to substitute a ka value, b ka value and c ka value, multiply them all with 3. Your sum is over. So remember, these formulas are the most important ones for expansion chapter. Nothing more than this.